Hey guys, welcome to my mini videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can open the hood of your car. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, my car is quite old now, but even in modern car the system is same. You just need to go for the signs. Okay, so see here, you see there are two signs. This is for opening that gas tank and this is for hood. So first pull it up. Okay, you hear something and you hear from front also that something is opened. Okay, now go towards the front. Now here you see, if you see, there will be like yellow, this yellow. So just there will be a lever something, as you can see it, there's a yellow one here. Yeah, so just move it towards right and pull it up. So this is how it looks when you move it up, and you see this one, take this up. So I took that up from here and just connected that here. Okay, it's pretty simple. So that is how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. For closing also we are going to follow the same process. I'm gonna take it off from here, put that back here. It's easily movable, and just push it down and press slightly. You will hear something, and that's it, it's locked. So this is how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.